What is up, Pyro Nation? We're back with Mad Axe Fireworks Reaper Drone. Here you go, Pyro Drone. Here's a drone cake for you. 200-gram cake, very kick-ass plane right there. 19 shots. Payload ready to do some damage. There's what performance should look like when we do it. Ratings: 5 stars for color, 4 for noise, 5 for space and height, 4 for duration, and 5 for the staff. Our performance are 19 shots of hard-hitting chrysanthemums with, I think they're supposed to be with red and green glitter and crackling flowers with a, I think they're missing their eye, with huge 4-shot finale. So let's take a look inside of this, flipping the lid up. There we go. Very nice. Compact. Looking nice. But there we have it. Reaper Drone from Mad Axe Fireworks. Let's go check it out. Reaper Drone.